In today's tutorial, issue is how to resolve or fix if your network adapter is not working on your Dell laptop, computer, or tablet device. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process here, guys. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump straight into it. So all I have to do is open up the search menu, and you want to type in settings, best result, should come back with settings. Go ahead and open that up. You want to go down and select the update and security tile. And then on the left side, select troubleshoot. And then on the right side, select additional troubleshooters. Underneath find and fix other problems, select network adapter. Find and fix problems of wireless and other network adapters. Go ahead and run that troubleshooter, see if it identifies any particular issues here. And you can also, after that, open up the search menu and type in CMD. Best result should say command prompt. Right click on that and run as administrator. If you receive a user account control prompt, select yes. And you want to type in ipconfig space /flush DNS. Flush DNS should all be one word attached to that / out front. Hit enter on the keyboard. Should come back with Windows IP configuration. Successfully flushed the DNS resolver cache. Now you want to type in netsh space winsock, WINSOCK, space reset. Hit enter on the keyboard. Once that's done, close out of here and then restart your computer. And hopefully at this point you should be good to go. So as always, thank you for watching. I do hope I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.